Welcome to Flashback's Garage. Today I'm doing an unboxing video. I ordered parts from internet for my Volvo V60. I have a problem with the suspension, and the problem is that every time I drive into a pump or something like that, the suspension makes a horrible noise. And I wanted to order parts from internet, and the part why I ordered from the internet and from a specific place called Autodoc is that I have heard rumors about them changing the parts you order to cheaper ones or something that they have in stock. So I wanted parts to be high quality parts for my Volvo because it's my daily driver and I want it to be reliable as possible. So I ordered Lemforder suspension parts and Bilstein shocks. So let's see what I got. Is the rumor true or isn't it? But let's find out. Okay, here's what I got from Autodoc, and I'm pleased that I had what I had ordered for. So some people haven't been so lucky. I'm not sure how often this happens. I believe that if you order parts that are in stock, you will get it. But if they don't, they will change the parts to another one without asking your permission. I got Bilstein front shocks and rear shocks for my car. These are these black ones. The yellow ones were the ones I love to have, but they are double the price. But these are gas shocks and they will work excellently in my car. So I'm happy with those. Bilstein makes high quality shocks. That's what I've heard. And then I wanted Lemforder parts because I know from my own experience and what I heard from my friends that they make really high quality parts, spare parts to cars. So I wanted especially Lemforder. So what I got these front connection rods for both sides, and then I've got these rear connection rods, looking good, and also I have the steering rod ends and nut. These are good quality parts, looking excellent. So I'm happy with these. I have seen a lot worse steering rod ends sold to the people. And then I have the lower ball joints with hardware. And in my Volvo, this lower ball joint is mounted with bolts, and I have the hardware here, so I don't need to use the old hardware to mount these. So here's the ball joint. It's looking excellent. Everything looks correct, and here's these hex key slot. In all these parts have this hex key slot up here, so it's easier to unmount if you need to do that in the future. So that's very nice feature in these parts, and I have seen parts where you don't have these, and they are sometimes a pain in the butt to take off because it starts to roll freely there, and it's not nice. But these are high quality parts, and I'm happy that I got what I ordered for. And the reason why I started ordering parts was this part here. So this is the front strut upper bearing. I believe it's called that. But this is the reason. And what I've read from the internet is that the problem with that horrible noise is that here is a rubber piece between these two metals, and it's getting loose or going bad. It goes bad and it starts to make the noise. So I'm changing these also, and these seem to be very nice parts too. So here's the hardware too, so I'm happy with these. So I got what I ordered. I'm very happy, and I will do a video about changing these. Hopefully it's helpful to someone. Why I sound like this is a little bit shaky, and I'm struggling to make words is that there's a little bit cold outside, and also my garage is a little bit cold at the moment, so I might sound a little bit odd today, but I think that's quite normal for me to struggle with words. So, but here's what I got, and I'm super happy that I got what I ordered for. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to make a video of installing these. Hopefully it's going to work out, but first I need to do a little bit work with Beetle before I can take it out, but that's a different story. So that's basically it, and the aftermath. I got what I ordered for. I'm happy with it. Maybe I got lucky with my order, and because I have seen those things happening that they have changed parts to cheaper ones or low quality ones, and that's basically not good for a business, because rumors like this, they stay alive a long time, and basically it means that some people might be afraid of ordering stuff from them if they read something or something like this, or see video about something like this. This is my first time when I ordered from Autodoc, and I got what I had. So I'm not qualified to say that they always do this, or many times. But I think one thing that you can be sure that you get what you order for is to check the if they have the parts in stock. If they have the parts in stock, I believe they sent what you ordered for. If they don't have, they will change the part. And I believe that the reason why they are doing this is that they want to ship the parts to the customer as soon as possible. The quicker the parts gets to the customer, it's better. I believe that they think this, but there's something that I don't accept. If you order a part which costs, for example, 50 euros, and you change it without asking your permission to change it to $40 or 40 euro a part, that's not right. Either you need to ask for permission, or then you need to compensate the difference between the price. That's what I think. And I have heard that they don't do that. They just change it and doesn't compensate it. I'm not sure if it reads in their uh, in their website somewhere. I haven't read that, but that's a shame. That's a real shame if they do that. But that's it. See you soon.